Have you ever wanted to talk about the weather in English? Maybe you meet someone in the morning. Something simple. But you only know. It is sunny.
It is rainy.
It is hot.
Yes. I can say those sentences. But after that, I don't know what to say.
Exactly. Weather is a small topic, but it is very useful. We talk about the weather with neighbors. We talk about the weather with coworkers. We talk about the weather with friends. And sometimes weather talk is the beginning of a nice conversation.
So today, we will learn natural weather expressions.
Yes. Simple. Useful. Natural. Not textbook English. Real English for daily life.
I need this lesson.
Welcome to Candy English Podcast. I'm Candy.
I'm Yang.
Today's topic is everyday English for weather. Let's start with the most basic expression. How's the weather?
How's the weather?
Yes. This is a very natural question. You can ask, how's the weather today? Or, what's the weather like today?
What's the weather like today?
Good. This means, tell me about today's weather. For example, it's sunny today.
It's sunny today.
It's cloudy today.
It's cloudy today.
It's rainy today.
It's rainy today.
These are simple and correct, but we can make them sound more natural. For example, it's nice out today.
It's nice out today.
This means the weather is good. Maybe sunny, maybe warm, maybe comfortable. You can say this when you go outside and feel good.
It's nice out today. That sounds natural.
Yes. Another useful sentence is, it's beautiful outside.
It's beautiful outside.
This is warmer. It has feeling. Maybe the sky is blue. Maybe the air is fresh. Maybe the sun is shining.
I like that. It sounds happy.
Exactly. Now, let's talk about hot weather. Many learners say, it's hot. That is correct. But native speakers often say, it's so hot today.
It's so hot today.
Or, it's really hot today.
It's really hot today.
You can also say, it's boiling.
It's boiling?
Yes. Boiling means very, very hot, like water in a pot. But in daily conversation, people say, it's boiling today. It means it is extremely hot.
Oh, like summer in Japan.
Exactly. Summer in Japan is not just hot. It is boiling.
Yes. And I feel like a steamed dumpling.
That is a very honest weather report.
Thank you.
Another useful word is humid.
Humid.
Humid means there is a lot of water in the air. The air feels heavy and wet. In Japanese summer, we often say 暑い. It's humid today.
It's humid today.
Good. You can also say, it's hot and humid.
It's hot and humid.
Very natural. For example, I don't want to walk outside. It's too hot and humid.
I don't want to walk outside.
It's too hot and humid.
Perfect. Now, let's talk about cold weather. You can say, "It's cold today."
It's cold today.
That is fine. But you can also say, "It's chilly today."
It's chilly today.
Chilly means a little cold. Not freezing. Just a little cold. For example, in the morning or evening, it's a bit chilly.
It's a bit chilly.
Very good. You can say, "You might need a jacket."
You might need a jacket.
Yes. That is very useful. For example, it's a bit chilly. You might need a jacket.
It's a bit chilly. You might need a jacket.
Beautiful. Now, if it is very cold, you can say, "It's freezing."
It's freezing.
Freezing means very, very cold. For example, it's freezing outside.
It's freezing outside.
Or, my hands are freezing.
My hands are freezing.
Good. Now, let's talk about rain. Of course, you can say, "It's raining."
It's raining.
But there are many useful rain expressions. If the rain is light, you can say, "It's drizzling."
It's drizzling.
Drizzling means very light rain. Small, soft rain. Not strong.
So, I don't always need an umbrella?
Maybe you need one. But it is not heavy rain. You can also say, "It's just a light rain."
It's just a light rain.
Good. If the rain is strong, you can say, "It's raining hard."
It's raining hard.
Or, "It's pouring."
It's pouring.
Pouring means heavy rain. A lot of rain. For example, "Don't go out now. It's pouring."
Don't go out now. It's pouring.
Excellent. Another very natural sentence is, "I got caught in the rain."
I got caught in the rain.
This means you were outside and suddenly it rained. You did not plan it. You got wet.
Oh, that happened to me yesterday. I got caught in the rain.
Very natural. You can also say, "I forgot my umbrella."
I forgot my umbrella.
Or, "I should have brought an umbrella."
I should have brought an umbrella.
This is very useful. Should have means, "It was a good idea, but I did not do it."
So, I should have brought an umbrella.
Means I did not bring one and now I need one.
Exactly. Now let's talk about cloudy weather. You can say, "It's cloudy today."
It's cloudy today.
You can also say, "It looks like rain."
It looks like rain.
This means the sky looks rainy. Maybe dark clouds. Maybe gray sky. You think it may rain soon.
It looks like rain. Very useful.
Yes. Another expression is, It might rain later.
It might rain later.
Might means maybe. So, it might rain later means maybe it will rain later.
It might rain later. I should bring an umbrella.
Perfect. That is a very natural sentence. Now let's talk about wind. You can say, it's windy today.
It's windy today.
If the wind is very strong, you can say, it's really windy.
It's really windy.
Or, the wind is strong today.
The wind is strong today.
Good. For daily life, you might say, be careful. It's really windy outside.
Be careful. It's really windy outside.
Nice. Now let's talk about comfortable weather. This is very useful. You can say, it's warm today.
It's warm today.
Warm means a little hot, but comfortable. Not too hot.
Warm is a happy word.
Yes. You can also say, it feels nice outside.
It feels nice outside.
Very natural. This sentence is about your feeling. The weather makes your body feel good. For example, it feels nice outside. Let's go for a walk.
It feels nice outside. Let's go for a walk.
Excellent. Another useful sentence is, the weather is perfect today.
The weather is perfect today.
This means the weather is really good. Not too hot. Not too cold. Maybe sunny. Maybe fresh.
The weather is perfect today. Let's have coffee outside.
That sounds wonderful. Now let's practice a short daily conversation. Yang, imagine we meet in the morning.
Okay.
Good morning, Yang. How's the weather today?
Good morning, Candy.
It's sunny and warm. It feels nice outside.
That sounds lovely. Do I need a jacket?
Maybe in the evening.
It might get chilly later.
I'll bring a light jacket.
Good idea.
Wonderful. That was simple, but very natural.
I could use that tomorrow.
Yes. Now let's practice another conversation. This time it is rainy.
Okay.
Yang, are you coming to the cafe?
Yes, but I may be a little late.
It's pouring outside.
Oh no. Did you bring an umbrella?
Yes, but my shoes are already wet.
Take your time. Be careful.
Thanks. I should have worn different shoes.
Very natural.
This is real-life English.
Exactly. Real English is not always difficult. It is often small sentences. But those small sentences help us connect with people.
I like that. Weather talk is small, but it can be kind.
Yes. For example, when someone comes into your classroom or office on a rainy day, you can say, you must be cold.
You must be cold.
Or, you must be tired after walking in the rain.
You must be tired after walking in the rain.
This is very warm. You are not only talking about the weather. I hope you're feeling better.
That is beautiful.
English is not only words. English is connection.
I want to remember that.
Now, let's review today's useful expressions. Please listen and repeat. How's the weather today?
How's the weather today?
What's the weather like today?
What's the weather like today?
It's nice out today.
It's nice out today.
It's beautiful outside.
It's beautiful outside.
It's hot and humid.
It's hot and humid.
It's a bit chilly.
It's a bit chilly.
You might need a jacket.
You might need a jacket.
It's freezing outside.
It's freezing outside.
It's drizzling.
It's drizzling.
It's pouring.
It's pouring.
I got caught in the rain.
I got caught in the rain.
I should have brought an umbrella.
I should have brought an umbrella.
It looks like rain.
It looks like rain.
It might rain later.
It might rain later.
It's really windy outside.
It's really windy outside.
It feels nice outside.
It feels nice outside.
The weather is perfect today.
The weather is perfect today.
Great job!
Today's lesson was very useful. Now I can talk about weather in a more natural way.
Yes. And remember, weather talk is not boring. It can be a friendly door. A small door to a warm conversation.
A friendly door. I like that.
When you don't know what to say, start small. Say, "It's nice out today." Or, "It looks like rain." Or, "It's really hot and humid." Small English can make a real connection.
Small English. Real connection.
Exactly. Thank you for listening to Candy English Podcast. If you enjoyed this podcast, please subscribe so you don't miss future episodes.
And try one weather expression. Even one sentence is a good start.
See you next time.
See you next time.
Morning light is candy sweet, a little dream I get to keep. A quiet hope begins to rise in sun-soaked morning sky.